Welcome to Royal Chess Academy. My name is Murugan. I am a federating chess player, chess coach. This video topic, chess Petroff opening traps. Watch complete video. Give like, subscribe Royal Chess Academy channel. Trap 1, E4, E5, Knight F3, Knight F6, Petroff defense. Knight C3, D5, E capture D5, Bishop G4, relative pin, Bishop E2, Bishop D6, D4, break the center, E capture D4, Queen capture D4, kingside castle, B, G5, pin the queen, H6 move is a blunder move. White play on brilliant tactics, remove the guard, compulsory move, queen take, knight or pawn take knight. White gain one extra material, black resign the game. Trap 2, E4, E5, knight F3, knight F6, Petroff defense, bishop C4, N capture E4, knight C3, knight capture C3, D pawn capture the C3. D5, bishop capture D5, C6, blunder move, bishop capture F7 check, king capture bishop, immediate queen loss, queen take queen, immediate queen loss. So black player play king E7, B G5 check, anyway queen loss. Only move, king take bishop only move, queen take queen, material gain, white player win this game. No counter attack. Bishop B4 no counter attack. C3 pawn control the B4 check. This game white win. If you like this game, give like, share your friends, give comments, subscribe Royal Chess Academy channel. See you next video. Bye.